That is an opportunity to learn love. Some people say that all of reality is an illusion, Maya, if you will. And this is the perspective that is very ancient in nature, where many ancient ancestral wisdom teachings talk about reality as a product of the mind. And if the mind is what creates the illusion of separation, then the only way that we can actually understand reality or the mind of Source is to come more into a state of alignment with our hearts.
Just as the Beatles embraced beautiful values and beliefs about reality through their music, individuals with a rich inner world actively choose to cultivate unity within themselves each day, like the members of the band harmonizing their voices and instruments.
These people choose to see a lot more beauty because they subconsciously are aligning with that beautiful element in the world around them. Truly, the way that we intake reality is a reflection of us. Just like if we choose to see with unity, everything around us will seem to be more unified, which touches on the previous point of our discussion about disintegration. When disintegration exists in life, it's because we are choosing to still be disintegrated within ourselves.
Whenever one seeks control and nurtures a desire for separation, they inadvertently breed further division in their life.
For as long as you try to be this separate being with your own separate state, and you think that you're creating reality separately from all other beings in existence, you'll feel like the world is against you. You'll never feel as one with nature.
Because the world does not operate in your favor unless you choose to operate in line with the natural order.
Even though you don't see that you are connected to everything else, to every other molecule in existence, everything is vibrating in synchrony.
And the reason why we can explore universal love in this way is because of a concept known as quantum entanglement, which is a notion in quantum physics suggesting that everything in human reality is actually interconnected by nature.
This also means, for example, that when you think about somebody and you start to entangle with their field just by thinking about that individual, you can actually start to resonate with them. You can actually start to resonate with them.
For instance, this is why some individuals experience telepathy. Consider when you think about a friend you haven't spoken to in a while, and suddenly they call. You might recognize this as an example of entanglement.
And your friend, through the antenna of their own holographic mind, was able to receive that thought, as we're all just receivers of information in this matrix. And as your friend received that thought and they realized that as you thinking about them, subconsciously the connection was formed and you were able to merge in this reality, though at separate distances.
Experiencing love entails learning to entangle with everything else in reality in a deeply affectionate manner. It signifies tuning into a frequency within your own heart center, which consequently initiates transformative changes across various aspects of your life.
If what we are experiencing doesn't feel like love, that is an opportunity to learn love.